Hello to the team over at Dodson Electric. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Wanted to reach out to you guys showing you this video how you can increase your traffic to your guys' websites through backlinks, keywords, and vice versa online in order to gain more traffic and sales every single month. So with that being said, what we're going to do here is go through your guys' website. See that you guys have a call to or get quote button, a call now button. That's great. You got a couple updates, testimonials, about, contact, gallery. You guys don't have a service section on your guys' website, but definitely would be something I highly recommend doing. I see you guys have old pictures on here from years and years back. Maybe updating some of those would be good to have as well. Not to mention that on the back end of things, I noticed that your guys' SEO is a bizarre one to me. I would love to know how you guys ended up ranking so highly with so few backlinks and keywords. But definitely that's something you guys are going to want to target and go after is more backlinks and more keywords. So once this wants to load here for me, we can compare and contrast with some of your top competition right now, figure out what they're getting backlinks and keywords and domains and stuff like that to that extent. But it doesn't want to load for me, so we'll take a look at these guys here right now. The top #1 spot in your area, or I should say the top 3 in your area as of right now, and these guys are absolutely killing it. So once this wants to load up for me, which it doesn't seem to want to, we will look at these guys, I guess, for now. These guys over at Jeremy Electrical are doing 2,000.3 backlinks and 2,000.1 organic keywords. We can go in and figure out what keywords that they're using to target and why that they're targeting those. So they are grabbing these keywords: electrical questions, local electricians, less summit electricians, right? 500, 300, 500, 8,800, 200, 200. I mean, the list goes on and on of some insanely awesome high search volume keywords that these guys are targeting. Not to mention also their backlinks are extremely good and relevant. So I would try to go out and look and find what these guys have for backlinks so you guys can get them into your website as well. But, oh, this darn computer today. But it is not working for me. Yes, here we go. So we have you guys at 1 backlink, 1 referring domain, and 1 organic keyword currently. You are not generating any traffic to your guys' website, which is unfortunate. You are missing out on a ton of potential customers. So with that being said, we also want to optimize all of our Google business profile here as well. Because you only have 46 reviews. We look at Jeremy. They are at 360 reviews. We have Mr. Sparky Electric at 713 reviews. Definitely optimize this. We got a good, you guys at least have a request a quote button. That's good. Have optimized that. It's good to see that as well. So with that being said, everybody over at Dodson Electric, I hope this video found you helpful and useful in any way, shape, or form. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, I would be happy to answer them. All of my contact information is at the bottom of my email. With that being said, guys, thank you very much and have a great day.